Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Cirayu, SRC Tech 2.
My name is Anissa Fitria Talaha as a client.
My name is Faikon Nabi Salfa, as an architect.
We're planning to use 1 to 100 scale for the floor plans. It's a good size to show play on.
I see, but I am a little confused. Why not just use one scale for everything?
Well, like I said before, different scale has show different level of detail. For example, we use 1 to 50 for furniture design. Exactly, with a large scale, we can show small features importantly, like shelf or sink.
Oh, that makes sense. And what about the whole side view?
For that, use 1 to 200 to show improving the context document.
Thank you guys. Bye.